Meaning of Joseph Addison.
Joseph Addison.
Joseph Addison.
Joseph Addison.
Joseph Addison. Joseph Addison was an English essayist, poet, playwright, and politician. He is mostly known as one of the founders of The Spectator magazine, which he co-founded with his friend Richard Steele. Addison's essays, many of which were published in The Spectator, covered a wide range of topics including literature, politics, and morality. He was also a successful playwright and held various government positions throughout his career. Addison is considered one of the most important writers of the 18th century, and his works continue to be studied and appreciated today.